High views at this time in the East. A terrible war can start in Vasta at any moment. Maybe. At this point, it's only because of Israel since then. Bad reputation has spread in the entire country. The entire Islamic world was troubled when Israel on the capital of Qatar Doha attacked. 6 people lost their lives in this attack. The game was lost, and many people were injured. Attacks the building was also completely destroyed. The attack was actually carried out by Israel on some special Hamas terrorists. It was done on people, but they all remained safe. Now, what is surprising in this? Let me tell you, Qatar is the same Arabic country which is America's biggest supporter, and America, the largest military base in the eastern part of is also present in Qatar. Just a few months ago, Qatar gave $400 million to America. Very big ship was also gifted, besides Qatar. It is the only Arab country from which America buys the most natural oil. But despite this, America's most favorite country, Israel, attacked Qatar. Nazreen. The whole world knows this, that Israel can do anything without asking Americanos not take any action. Israel's bravery is that 4 days ago, in just 72 hours, attacked in 6 fundamentals of the world. These include Palestine, Lebanon, Syria, Tunisia, Qatar, and Yemen are included. It is very sad that just having a possession is equivalent to not having one. The group has put all the Arab countries in trouble. The very next day of the attack on Qatar, Asia's most peaceful and strongest country Prime Minister of Pakistan, Shahbaz Sharif, went to Qatar. The whole world knows this, that Arab Muslims can do nothing without Pakistan. No. Honorable Shahbaz Sharif of Qatar. This was given to Sultan Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, assured you that we are with you. Don't panic, there is no need for the Nazarenes of Israel. There are 2 days when the Prophet's wife and her husband died. Mazail from the top of the daily Qibla Masjid Nabawi, everyone must have seen it while passing by. It was destroyed in 1765 and the city of Medina. The sound of explosions kept coming. Now, what was this? And where did it come from? Until now, the Saudi regime did not issue any statement on this. Azam Netanyahu, in his 2-minute. Pakistan's name was mentioned 4 times in his speech, and it is known to Israel that only Pakistan is the only Muslim country. This is a country which belongs to me, and all Pakistani nation is proud of its on being a Pakistani, on your army, and on your having nuclear power, even if Israel wants to. I can't mess with Pakistan, because he knows that by doing so, Pakistan, they will eat me raw. And there is no doubt about it. No. Nazarene is now being told that Turkey, it is the turn of Egypt and Saudi Arabia, where Israel will attack. The Israeli Prime Minister said this. I have clearly stated that I am for Greater Israel, I will make it. And Greater Israel is so big that Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Palestine, Jordan, Syria and Turkey are all countries. A very large area of Greater Israel, Yeshlam Masjid Asa, and they will capture Baitul Muqaddas, which no Arab country will be able to free us. From the region of Hurazan, a group with black flags will march ahead. Whoever will not be able to stop this. Army will liberate the holy place and Masjid Aqsa Nazreen. Israel under Baitul Muqaddashav has started digging. From and in this digging, the video is also very viral on social media. It has happened. Actually, these people are carrying the coffin of Sakina. We are looking for the one whose mention is in Quran Majid as well. It has also happened in other books. Tabut Sakina. This is a holy coffin which belonged to Hazrat Adam. It was revealed to him in his salat, and then generation after generation, till Hazrat Musa Allah Salat too. Salam, there are many Anbiya Ikram inside this coffin. The sacred things of Allah Ridwan are present. Inside, this is the name of Hazrat Musa Allah Salatasa, is also present, which he placed on the ground. He hit the stone, and the glasses came out of it. And in this, when Ace was thrown into the rivers, the water receded, and a way was found. This box speech of Hazrat Harun, al-Salatu Salamin, and some plaques are also present. Apart from these, there are many other things as well, and this all things became very close to Israel. They are holy, because these people are the coffin. Sakina, whatever prayer you make by keeping it in front of you. In your time, he used to ask for the cast of Allah Rabbul Ijjat Nazareen. Now we are in the city of Qatar. Let's take a look at Doha and see. The beauty here is due to the handmade islands and old city Doha Qatar is the head of government and the most important person in the country. It is a beautiful and modern city. This city is called College. There is also a sea of art. This city's the total length of the road is 132 km, but the surprising thing is that Qatar's total, more than 70% of the population, lives in this city, and this city is surrounded by Nawa. The total population here is approximately 1186,000. It is built close to the city. Business is very popular in this city. It is too much. Huge markets were created. Apart from these, there are many big temples here. Shopping malls are also present, from where you can buy everything in the world can be found. In Doha City, the Persian Gulf is also considered as the sea, as well as for people to move around, and a beautiful corniche has been made for walking around. There is a rush of people here in the evening. Doha's city scene. From the sky-tall buildings, beautiful roads, and the view of the sea adds to the beauty it gives. The whole city is so clean that one can be stunned. Now we see Jazeera Alvo. This is a self-made island, which is extremely beautiful. The infrastructure is no less than a masterpiece. It is located just 4 km away and is close to the sea. It is built on the top of the world's the most expensive hotels and resorts are available. Most of the people here, English people, live here. Every building is decorated with this lines have been designed to keep the sea clean. Every common man and special person can be seen on this island. You can go and roam around. Here you will find the sea. You will also get ferries to run in this. Currently 27,000 people live on the island. The National Museum of Qatar is also in this city. It is present, which was released on 28 March 2019 by Awam Nas was opened for. This beautiful and a beautiful rose flower adorns the mundane building, which is built on the lines of the Serra of Qatar grows in. This museum is so big that a person gets tired of roaming around. This museum shown in old Qatari Arabic Sakafat Arabic clothes have been removed from the old culture and ancient history. Museum. There are huge screens installed inside. She draws attention of the people, who come towards her. Small electric cars inside the museum also runs on roads that carry people from one place to another. It takes you to a place. Nazareen is such a pleasure. The market is both ancient and modern. It is called Arabic made in style. In between walking path and old roads on the side shops. Qatari old sakfat from these shops you will find everything. Visit this market. This market will remind you of old Arabia. The best restaurants and coffee shops inside Hurkiz also present. People come from all over Qatar to shop. People come here. Be it day or night, people come here. We keep roaming around. Let's go to Qatar. Now, let's visit the cultural village. This is in Qatar. It is nothing less than a masterpiece. On the land of most of the buildings are from the olden times buildings made from mud built. In this manner, and some modern buildings as well. The ones that are present are extremely beautiful. Cleanliness. Even after searching so much, you cannot find any garbage. Where a very big and beautiful mosque was also built. It has been decorated with blue art. The Colosseum in the Italian city of Rome. Collegium like this has been built here as well, which is very big and beautiful. Here, restaurants were also built for eating and drinking. There are countless shops inside from where you get the thing. But remember, it is expensive. Nazareen, the people here are they are very rich and nature-wise. They are very good. They have luxury cars and their own. There are wonderful big houses. These people do your own business. How many Qatari people? Everyone knows that he is a promiscuous person. Doha City. There are many dance clubs in the city. Fahashit is common. You can see every corner of the world from inside the clubs. You can buy alcohol. Shisha clubs are common here. It is where every common man can go. Looking at the nightlife of Doha, It doesn't seem so that we are traveling in an Islamic country. Dubai and Qatar Doha's nightlife is absolutely amazing. It is the same. So this was our Nazreen today, a little above Doha city documentary. Hope you like it. You must have liked it. See you with the next and best video.